noble profession for being teachers. And some people said, taught you to become a better person. Sabi nga nila, diba, pag ang teacher, nakaproduce ng mas magaling sa kanya, ibig sabihin magaling yung teacher. Pero, alin work yung mas nagiging interesting. Diba? Pag sa school mo nag-work, continuous teaching, yun lang. Diba? Although meron tayong magiging future sa pagiging teacher, pero hindi siya ganun, hindi ganun kataas, hindi ganun kalaki yung opportunities na pwede nila magiging. Hindi mo kailangan mataas yung rate mo as an employee. Ang mahalaga, mahal mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo, tsaka masaya ka kung paano mo ginagawa yung mga bagay na yun. Kasi diba, yung passion, yun yung tumutulong sa'yo para ma-enlighten ka as an employee, para magkaroon ka ng goal to succeed or matangayang talong na yun. May topic and that's all.
Because she is just trying to mention that
My student is topic that will help us to succeed in our chosen field. And the advantages of working in cooperative is that from working.
let's have an intermission now.
I would like to thank you all, especially Ma'am Villa, for coming and participating to our seminar this evening. We hope you learned and enjoyed this evening. Again, good evening.
Did you see my point? I think I did point ko. And then I also commented in other activity that your activity should be related. You don't need to explain, but we can see the relationship of the activity. Kung wala kayong makita, huwag nang maglagay. Because it will just make enhancing the program ay lalo hindi gumanda. Kung baga sa dinagdagan mo siya ng asin, hindi pala naka-enhance siya ng taste. Pero, bumagsak na, tinititigan mo. Okay? Tapos, intermission. Maganda, I like the last intermission, no? Very entertaining. Diba? I like the balls also, diba? Pero yung sana, na-practice ng gusto, yung so maganda sana yung pag-ganon-ganon nila, kung sabay-sabay, practice, may time sila na-practice. Not parang inugot na lang, and then, sige sa'yo.
You and I could be like Sa